Want to create this futuristic pixel stretch effect in Photoshop? It's actually super easy. First, open your image and select the single column Marquee tool from the toolbar. Now, click once on any colorful part of your image where you want to sample the pixels. To clean up the selection, grab the rectangular Marquee tool, hold down the Alt key, and drag over the unwanted areas to deselect them. Once that's done, press Ctrl+J to duplicate your selection onto a new layer. Next, press Ctrl+T to open the Free Transform tool. Hold down the Shift key and stretch the pixels all the way to the side. And just like that, we have our base stretch effect. To make it more dynamic, click on the Warp tool in the options bar up top. Now you can drag these handles to bend and curve the pixels into any custom wave or shape you want. Next, go to your Layers panel, hide the stretch layer for a moment, and select your main image layer. Head over to the toolbar, select the Quick Selection tool, and make a clean selection of the building. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate it. Now, simply drag this duplicated building layer above the pixel stretch layer. Unhide the stretch layer, and you're done with the first look. Now, let me show you another quick example using the single row Marquee tool. We'll follow the exact same process to clean up the selection. Select the rectangular Marquee tool, hold Alt and drag to remove any extra pixels. Once you have your clean line, press Ctrl+J to create a new layer. Hit Ctrl+T, hold down Shift, and stretch the pixels vertically, this time all the way to the edge. To add that organic flow, activate the Warp tool again and play around with the handles to create a smooth, curved wave. Finally, let's jump back to the Layers panel. Hide the stretch layer, select the main image, and use the Quick Selection tool to mask out your subject. Press Ctrl+J, drag the subject layer right above your pixel stretch effect. Turn the visibility back on, and there you have it, 2 incredible ways to master the pixel stretch trend. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to support, like, and follow DS Graphics for more creative workflows. See you next time.